gentlemen, some of them young, some legendary, and some of whom I've grown up watching and admired. Filmfare has always, I think, epitomized glamour in its own way and has, I think, the most tremendous legacy where it comes to not only publication houses, but also, I think, the legacy of cinema that it's always forged forward with. I think ever since Jitesh and his wonderful team have taken over the reins of Filmfare, it's not only provided, I think, great entertainment stories, great information about cinema, but has always pushed the fashion and glamour envelope and taken it to a larger level. I think this particular event, which Ciroc has very graciously supported, I think has added to the repertoire and the grand legacy that Filmfare is so known for. Filmfare has vintage value, Filmfare has entertainment value, and now Filmfare has tremendous fashion and glamour value. I was deeply honored to share the page, or rather the folds, with so many illustrious ladies and gentlemen, some of them young, some legendary, and some of whom I've grown up watching and admired tremendously. Just being on the same page with them was a tremendous honor. And more than anything else, when friends come together, and I think today means a lot to all three of us. Jitesh and Manish are both very dear to me in different ways. And Manish and I, of course, have shared tremendous fashion, friendship, and film history together. And I think sharing the same platform with him is always a reminder of how important relationships are in the movie business, and sticking together is rare, but it is true. And Jitesh is one of the few members of the media that I have actually had a solid bond with over the years. And of course, big thumbs up to the Times Group for constantly upping the ante and always doing something unusual. And thank you, Bhavesh, for constantly being such, I think, a fashion reminder even in our zone. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Johar.
Good evening, everyone. And as Karan said and Jitesh said, I think sharing a platform with close friends always feels and makes it more special. I think the change that Jitesh especially has got into Filmfare is that he's made it much more younger, more relevant of the times that prevail today. And I think that Filmfare is more fashionable and much more stylish today. Of course, it has... like Karan mentioned, it's a legendary magazine, the legendary awards. I always love the retrospect pictures that he puts up, and which Filmfare always has in the last pages. In fact, I just flew in from Dubai, and I was even reading the Dubai edition, and it was I saw so many people on the flight going through the Filmfare Dubai edition. And I think today style or well-being, looking good, feeling good is a part of all our lives. It's not just fashion. And when a magazine that is so historical with movies is also showing you and speaking about what is looking good today and what it means. So I think that's really great. And Ciroc for coming in and hosting these fabulous awards. We were all there. It just seemed very intimate, seemed wonderful. And I think for all those people who think being stylish is just buying expensive clothes or living in couture, it's not true. It's also it's well-being. It's feeling beautiful to look beautiful. And that night I thought was a lot of fun night, and we all were so relaxed and enjoying it. So thank you, Filmfare, and thank you, Ciroc.
Fashion savvy, I mean, do you think the movies are getting, and is it an important part of the evolution of the movies?
Well, I think today's movies, Chitisha, more than fashion savvy, are getting a bit more real and very relevant of today's changing time. And I think the new fashion in movies is to be real. The small town girl has become the heroine. She's no more the glamazon girl who shops in New York. The small town boy who has dreams of making it big, and thus finally is your new hero. So I think in movies and costume design, it's all about what people wear, and I think that a certain sense of style has come in today's audience. I mean, they know what they want to wear, what they want to look like, what they want to see. So I think that's what the biggest change in movies in the last 3 to 4 years has been. And I think somewhere that started with Jab We Met, with Karina's look of that salwar and t-shirt with a jacket. So that whole Western Indian, the Indian cool kind of feel.
Karan, ironically, while you gave fashion savvy to the movies, I mean, you came under constant criticism that you tend to cosmetize the movies and make it a little more glamorized than they should be, your movies. So how would you react to something like that?